Okay, so I'm going to set up WedgeLink for silage. What we're going to do is going to be able to get a signal from my cell phone. We'll send to the scale head and tell the scale head to print to an Excel file. And we'll use this. The phone will be connected through my Bluetooth, and the computer will be connected through a USB, all through serial. Okay, so first off, we need to use WedgeLink, we need to find out what COM port we're plugged into, and that can change. So if you go to Device Manager, and then you go down, you'll see whatever COM port is used. If you unplug the USB, that should disappear, and as soon as you plug it back in, it'll come back. So we can see that it's COM port 15 is what we're using right now. So we go to WedgeLink, and at setup, we put input serial port, and I click on 15 for the baud rate parity. That's what the USB or the Bluetooth is using. To remember, I have it written on the back. That's the information you need. So as soon as you click this stuff, you are good to go. Make sure that this is clicked so it's green. Serial port ACOM port 15 is green. And send app to the keyboard. Now, when I click, I'm going to click print over here, and it's not going to work because WedgeLink currently has the focus. What I have to do, and when I do that, this goes red. I need to make sure both of these are green again, and then I need to set it where I want on Excel. So now I'll click print again and see what happens. There it works. Then what we're really going to do is, while we're in the feed wagon or in the silage truck, I'll make sure that this is disconnected right now. When I pull up to the scale, I'll have to connect it. It'll say that it's connected on the bottom. I'll push print weight, and there we go. We have it, and we have it right there. I'll press print weight again, and there we go. Now I have a weight and timestamp of every load of silage that comes in.